no molds, no problem. Let's make these creamy, crunchy chocolate ice cream bars. Hi everyone, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video today, we're making something called creamy and drool-worthy chocolate covered ice cream bars. But here's the twist, no fancy molds. We're using simple nylon bags. Let's get started. For the full list of ingredients and recipe, do check the description below. Let's jump right in. Let's make the ice cream base. In a saucepan, pour in your milk. Gently fold in the condensed milk. Cornstarch and powdered milk. Gently mix till smooth and thick. This gives you a smooth, no churn ice cream base. Since we're making 3 flavors and colors, we'll divide this into 3. In the first bowl, we'll mix the vanilla flavored milk. And in the last bowl, we'll mix the milk chocolate. Mix thoroughly to combine. Cut the chocolate bar into small sizable pieces that can fit into the nylon bags. Next, melt the chocolate in a hot water bath. You can add a tablespoon of oil to each nylon to make it silky and snappy when it's set. Spread out the melted chocolate in the nylon. Using a spoon or piping bag, fill your nylon bags halfway with the flavor you want. Twist the top of the nylon to seal. Secure it with a rubber band or tie a knot. Now freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight till they're nice and solid. Take out the frozen bars, cut the nylon and gently peel it off. Look at that magic. The chocolate sets right away because of the frozen bar, crunchy shell, creamy center. This is the real deal, and all done without an ice cream mold. If you love this recipe, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know what flavor you want next. Stay cool and creative.